Hello, this is John Cannon, and just wanted to open up a package here today and do an unboxing. So this box is from Foam & Factory, and I ordered a twin mattress. It is a latex mattress, and wanted to show what it looks like as it's opened up. First of all, it does have a packing slip right here for the package. You can see the box shipped via UPS and seems to have arrived okay. Okay, pretty simple and easy. Now, let's see. Okay, they indicated when it was shipped that it would come fairly tightly packed, and this is certainly very tight. Looks like it's so it's just rolled up in really thick cellophane cling wrap. Doesn't appear that there's any tape on it. And let's see. It is, I see. So it is shrink wrapped. All the air has been sucked out of this, so it's one big vacuum bag. So I'm going to open up this without cutting the mattress. This paperwork says, open immediately. Please wait 24 to 48 hours for your foam to fully expand to the proper size. So I'm going to do the very first cut here to open it up. So I've sliced it here, and it is, oh boy, the bag is already opening up. So it does come with this nice cover that zips. And it looks like it zips all the way down the side, so you can pull this cover off and wash it. And then it's got this soft inner liner that actually covers up the latex, and then the latex is obviously inside of that. So that's nice that this cover appears to be, with the zipper going all the way down to that end, the cover appears like it would be very easy to pull on and off, which is a good thing. And it says to give it 24 to 48 hours, but it has already risen up to what I would say is the full depth, since it's a 5-inch mattress. And so this looks like it's going to be very nice and very comfortable. Let me lay on it for a moment. And we'll see. Oh, yeah. This is like Grandma's house, where it's got the plastic over your couch still. That's nice. That'll be a nice bed. Okay.